First time at Startup Weekend, excited just to meet some people here in Seattle and see what it's all about.
This is my 8th Startup Weekend, and already I am sweating, so I cannot wait to smell myself by the end of the weekend.
I'm Alan Rodriguez, designer, first Startup Weekend. Pretty excited. Like Kyle, a little bit sweaty, but mostly out of pressure, not glandular stuff, like him.
David Shim, recently got funded by a VC in Seattle area, and just kind of checking out Startup Weekend, seeing what everyone's working on. That'd be a really cool event to attend.
Yeah, we're excited about having a great weekend. Any tips on success?
I think you kind of nailed it on the head earlier, making sure that you pick something that you can actually accomplish within a weekend, and then actually focusing on kind of that customer validation aspect. We've got a lot of really smart people here, and making sure they walk before they run, and finding out that they're really solving a problem before they get too ambitious about building the solution.
That's a great. See, he's like a venture capitalist. Stated that's exactly what we say about companies that are done over years, let alone a weekend. So, anyway, we're excited about it.
Who here has actually been to a Startup Weekend before? Yes. So, the game is called Half Baked. It is a great way to pick some random words, and we're going to turn them into companies. 15 minutes. Build a business. Go. We're number 12, and we're Team Boom Velociraptor. Rock. Data briefs. You've been wearing underwear 0.1, and you just didn't know it.
So we are Socket Paradigm, and based on our research around a universal electrical socket that can be both male and female, we decided that we are going to build the last connector you ever need.
So I'm Susan Siegel. I'm the CEO and president of the WTIA, which is the state of Washington's Tech Trade Association. And this is my first introduction to Startup Week and actually being here. I'm really excited to see how these pitches go.
Alright, I'm the Taskmaster.
So my name's Grant, I'm technical, and my idea is called My City. And the general notion is Match.com for where to live.
Hi, I'm Mike. I'm here pitching for a team of 4 people that's already been assembled. The concept is called Bum Rush.
Now, my idea is 1-800-ASSHOLE. So, how many of you guys drive cars here? Okay, and how many of you guys meet assholes on the road?
We watch Twitter. We watch games. I want to play a game that's all around Twitter. It's called Angry Nerds. So I need a gluten-free website where people can go pick a city, find all the places that are actually gluten-free, what their gluten-free policy is, how gluten-free actually are they, rather than what they actually say they are, and have it backed up with user submissions that say I rate this person great, or actually did feel like I got gluten right after I went to this gluten-free restaurant. So
it's an engagement tool for bloggers. Basically, the problem is that I actually have a mixed martial arts website, and I wanted to do a ranking of all the pound-for-pound best fighters, and to be able to leverage my community to basically have them choose back and forth. And I think that'll be pretty cool. So, and we can
stand up and pick one person to play with. The way works, so you have 3 rounds. The best of the 3 is going to take, so the winning, whoa, hold on. So I just give you a demonstration right here. So we're going to play 3 rounds. Okay, cool.
Paper, scissors, that's pretty entertaining. I bet we could make a game out of that.
Hi, I'm Greg Gottesman with Madrona. My idea is video Instagram.
So I've got an idea I'd like to call Tune Field. Somebody decides to be the DJ. They pick a playlist. It could be songs on the iPhone. It could be you streaming from Rdio or Pandora or whatever mobile app.
2 hands isn't cool. You know what's cool? 3 hands. Thank you. 3 hands. My startup is called mythirdhand.com. It's a mechanical third hand that you can control remotely through your mobile device to do all sorts of crazy shit that you can't do.
Startup weekend, it's been a great experience coming out here. Really awesome, you know, to see just ideas flowing and people off the cuff coming up with, you know, cool concepts and trying to recruit a team. So it's a lot of fun, pretty competitive, but a good time for sure.
Awesome, high energy startup fever. And it's a great group, and I love the energy in the room and a lot of great talented people here.
I'm John Moorfield. 2 years ago, I started a project called Architecture 5 Cents. I took a booth out to the farmers market and just asked people, how can I help with your home? I've tried to build this thing by myself, and coming to Startup Weekend has just been insane. The amount of passion and energy that everyone has, that within 60 seconds, I was able to throw my idea out there and get a group of, you know, stellar guys to just jump on board and build the hell out of it. It's like been 2.5 years of an uphill battle with 54 hours epic finish. So
cold finger is actually a really cool social term for people who don't accept their friend requests, so they ignore it or they say something out of jest that's out of line. So we decided we want to go with that because this game's all about challenging people to play against each other. I've been working on skinning the UI. Matt, our awesome designer here, has been working on getting us some great art that actually goes into the game. So I've been working on skinning and user flow. Alistair designed our engine, so far things are working. We got it working. You're able to navigate through the game.
Helping people to aggregate and sort the data and information that's important to them. Best use case is that, for example, like if you own e-commerce site, yeah, absolutely. So if you own cheeseburger.com, you want to know which of the things are actually more hot than the other one. You A/B test them all the time, getting some interesting results, seeing based upon the segmentations of user which one is actually more popular, which more liked. We've got some examples working with Failblog, with Cheeseburger. What else do we got? Food porn. Yep. IMDb. Yep. Pretty excited.
This is a YouTube video playing. And we got a playlist of YouTube videos here. And we've got 4 people, 2 of them are me, that's a little bug to work out. But 4 people here in a video chat room. We can have as many people we want in that video chat room, and we can all watch this video together and talk about it.
Yesterday we had a period where we couldn't make the art fast enough to keep up with the programmers, right? And then we kind of got to the point where you know, there were a few bugs holding us back, and we had to put both programmers together to stamp the bugs out.
Things are going all right. We have something that we can demo. We've got a nice homepage with Paul Goodrich on. It's saying that our product is very, very necessary. We've got a couple customers that say that they'll buy it. And we're doing basically just polishing up our deck.
I'm John, and this is Architecture. My name is Joseph Sanga of Proud Sword Me.
We are here representing FanPaw. We are Mr. Hand.
Shubs.tv.
We're the Team Toonfield.
We together are Cold Finger.
We are Panda Task. Building the Yelp for people.
Hi, my name is Grant, and we are City Bench.
So we are Can They Code. Technical screening without the hassle.
Tunefield for sure. Definitely crowdsort.me is number one.
Shubs, crowdsort.me. City Match. I like the architecture.
Shubs.tv.
It's fantastic. I think gluten-free watch is good if they implement it right.
Crowdsort.me.
Crowdsort.me.
Shubs.
The rock paper scissors game. Crowdsort's interesting. I think it's impressive what they got done.
We'll say City Match.
Architecture.
Crowdsort.me and City Match.
Shubs. Yeah.
The judges, as a third place winner, chose Can They Code? The second place finisher was Shubs TV. And the grand prize, the $282 from Poker 2.0, Crowd Sort. Congratulations, Crowd Sort.
Dude, the feeling is unreal. There's a lot of people wanting to use the widget, so this is kind of.
I think we got some more work to do.
Some more work to do.
We also have to go back to work tomorrow.
But it's pretty exciting. GeekWire, a lot of people want to, take a look and see what's next and see what we can do for them. So it's pretty exciting.
Yeah. We're probably another 2 days at that intensity away from really being ready to launch with something that could monetize or go viral. And I think we will.
We're rolling. We're meeting tomorrow. It's gonna happen. It's gonna move forward. A couple of us probably put in a Texter's application just to get a desk to sit at, but the team's jacked. Everyone's on. We have a use, we have a need, and 2.5 years worth of work and 2.5 days worth of just pure inspiration, and now this thing's gonna move forward. So it's gonna be a hell of a ride.
Well, I was telling one of my partners that I thought this was, and I've been in Madrona almost 15 years, this is the best thing that we've done, certainly the best thing we've done over a weekend ever. So, we had a great, really had an incredible group of people at Madrona over the weekend, and really talented technical people especially, and it was, it exceeded all of our expectations. So hope to do another one sometime, sometime soon.